Welcome to Boozy Books. In this video, we will show you how to create a digital signature. Create digital signatures for clients. You can also generate work for the DSC before the expiration date based on your requirements. How to create a new digital signature. To begin, head to Digital Signature under the Client's Management tab. Now click on Add DSC. Enter the necessary details including client name, signatory name, password, expiry date, etc. You can also create work for the DSC. Now to save the digital signature, click on Save Changes. Your digital signature is now created. How to edit or delete a digital signature. Now to edit the digital signature, go to Digital Signature and choose the signature that you want to edit. Click on Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. Now to delete the signature, click on Delete icon. And you are done. How to return a digital signature. Now to return the signature, go to Digital Signature and choose the signature that you want to return. Click on Return icon. Enter the necessary details including date of return, received by, given by, etc. Click on Save Changes. Thank you for watching.